In Odoo, since it's an open source platform, so all the developers who are working with us find it easy to do customization. We can customize any part of the module we want, like reports and anything. So Odoo is best configured for accounting module. Odoo is very UI UX friendly.
So hello everyone, Suhasini here from Odoo India, and today on the occasion of Odoo Community Days, we have one of our valued customer with us, Ms. Sakshi. So she will be sharing their Odoo success journey with us. So let's get into it. Hi Ms. Sakshi, how are you?
Hi, thank you, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you Ms. Sakshi. So welcome to Community Days. So how is your experience today here?
Very good. I'm truly excited to be here to learn, share and connect with you all.
That is great to know actually. Maybe before sharing your Odoo success journey, you can share a bit about your company and yourself and what you are into.
Yeah, as you said, my name is Sakshi Gupta and I'm a chartered accountant and have been working since last 8 years as a CFO in a Dubai-based company where I got opportunity to learn about different industries like from manufacturing to trading and from production to everything I have done there.
So could you please more explain about your implementation journey, how you have implemented and what and all features about Odoo or modules you like most?
The very best feature of Odoo is like accounting module that is very well integrated with all the other modules like inventory and purchase and sale. Like all other SAP and Oracle and Tally, they are accounting software but not related to other ERPs. So Odoo is best configured for accounting module, I think. And we are doing customizations also on that for reporting part.
So in the terms of implementation you have mentioned, so you are doing the implementation and learning by yourself. So are you facing any difficulties in that, or how did you manage to get implemented everything and make it streamlined for your business?
Actually, we were working with SAP for last 8 years, so we were having prior experience of implementation and all. But this is very UI UX friendly, so we are learning by our own and with the quick videos and quick documentation Odoo provides on their platform. So we are learning through that, and we are having internal team. We used to try test and we are doing customizations of reports, dashboards, everything we are doing.
So all the categories you are using at the moment. So are your users are comfortable using Odoo, or how you have trained them? What are their experience in the terms of training and getting live and using on the daily operations?
Yeah, one thing I already mentioned that Odoo is very UI UX friendly. So yes, the users are very happy to that, and we have provided very detailed training so that there can be a user acceptance to the new migration. So they are happy for this, and we provide them timely training, and everything is well documented. We have blueprint for every module, whatever customization we have done, what all reports we have done, we have blueprints for that. So they used to we have make some videos also, like how can they do particular tasks. So that's how they use the new software now.
Before using Odoo, like you are not using Odoo, so before how you are managing your data and what difficulties you were facing at that time?
Yeah, as I mentioned, we were using SAP for last 8 years, and customization UI UX friendly. It was not UI user X friendly, so that was the issue we were facing, and customization was quite challenging on that part. But in Odoo, since it's an open source platform, so all the developers who are working with us find it easy to do customization. We can customize any part of the module we want, like reports and anything. So that's how we are working with modules now.
So that is nice to hear. So also, are you expecting any some suggestions from your side, that this feature should be there in the standard, or which is most necessary from your part?
Mainly we are working on customization parts on dashboards, the CEO reports, the management reports. So I think some snaps should more be there on dashboard that we are customizing now, like quick reports, views of some different management level reports. So I think that will be better if they accommodate that also.
Okay.
Yeah, also one thing I would like to add, like it should be mobile friendly also. Like Odoo is mobile friendly, but not all the reports and everything you can check on your mobile interface. So as much it will be user friendly on mobile, I think it will be great for all of us.
So, as you are a Odoo user and you have implemented, customized by yourself, so how would you rate Odoo from the scale of 1 to 10? 10 makes the highest one.
Yeah, I would give it a strong 9. The reason I'm not giving it a 10 is like we are also fine tuning on customization part for some things. But yeah, I will give a strong 9.
Yeah, it is really nice rating actually. So, like you mentioned that you are migrating as well. So, are you regularly migrating the version whenever the new version comes, or how?
We have recently migrated to 18 and we have started using it since last 1 year only. So we have not upgraded to any other version now.
So maybe the 19 is upcoming, so you can plan by February that how what are the major changes. So yes, thank you so much, Ms. Sakshi, for sharing your journey, and all the best, very best for our future endeavors. Thank you.